Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from. And I want to just quickly get the chart updated here. And a pretty wild day, somewhat not nearly as wild as yesterday, but that's setting the bar kind of high. But mainly during the first 30 minutes. Again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So you can see the opening 30 minutes represented by that candle there was, the price was all over the place. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a very good job of bouncing back. I think at one point during the morning, the price was down in this region of the chart. However, by the time the closing bell came around, the price had eventually bounced all the way back up there. So it's not like it was an explosive day to the upside, but it was a good solid day in terms of recovering nicely from quite a bit of weakness, in the morning. So that's where we're just going to talk about, and really, update's probably not the right word, but more so just reiterate a couple of these levels that I talked about in yesterday's video. And these are the key areas of support. First level being right here at the $2.30 mark, and then the next one being down here at $2.10. Both did, come into play today, and both ultimately did end up acting as support. So that's good to see And then going forward, you certainly do want to see the price stay above those, especially the 230 level. You just kind of stop and think about it. If the price were to pull back here, bounce around, and then head back up, at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have previous sets of lows down there. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, this would be some nice stair steps heading in the upwards direction. So keep an eye on those levels of support. As far as resistance levels, nothing new here really to point out, although I suppose I could do this if you wanted to, and just kind of talk about that as the trend line resistance. So I'll leave that up there if you want to use that. But from more so the bigger picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. So in the event the price can break through that orange line, trend line right there, next key hurdle will be, that moving average again, 50-period simple moving average. So all in all, a good solid day for the bulls. It'll be interesting to see if they can keep on moving upwards for the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.